Travis, Travis, they got a video of your girl cooking and cleaning in another man's crib, Travis. This was 3 and 2 years ago, Travis. Look, laying in another bed with another man, Travis. Bruh bragging about her being a eater on his Snapchat story, saying she always cooking and cleaning in his crib, Travis. Travis, I thought your girl said she only messed with 3 dudes and you was only one of them. No, you like sitting in that chair, Travis. So now, I don't even need to see no more videos. I 100% now know for a fact you okay with this. You're fine with this because you like this. You like it.